What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Rose in the building. So, yesterday we was just goofing around, me and my cousin, and we went on the Monkey app yesterday, and we were just asking stupid questions, you know, goofing around people up there, doing rate me's, all that. Yeah, that's basically what we was doing yesterday. So that's what's gonna be in this video today. And let me know if you guys like it. Drop a like on the content if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing so far, basically. And yeah, it's your boy Big Rose, man. Comment some stuff in the comment section about some videos you would want me to do in the future. But yeah, I'm out. Peace. What's good with you, bro? So say what's up to my YouTube channel. Ah, you're a savage.
How was the rating? Am I rating anything?
Now, we're not making, like, I'm not gonna say talk. Straight boys on your shit.
I told you.
Why is it like that? Let me see if it actually works. If he do it.
Oh.
This dude here. Yo, what's good with you, bro? What you doing?
Chilling. What y'all doing?
We cool. Yo, say what's up to my YouTube channel.
Add some time.
What's up, you?
Add some time.
I didn't have time.
Why you look naked, dude? What's up with you?
What if I am naked?
Oh yeah, we out of here. We out of here.
Yeah, that's tough.
This nigga was low key naked.
He was low key bati.
16 from Boston. That ain't no she.
She.
It said y'all was a girl.
Yo, say what's up to my YouTube channel though.
Hey.
But why you
Hey.
Good luck.
Oh. I got scared.
Say ain't no she.
Need some dates on here.
Alright, go sir.
What's up?
Yo, add time.
Okay, chill out.
My fault. Yo, say what's up to my YouTube channel though.
Hey.
No, don't do it.
Alright,
I'm not gonna shut up.
Ask her.
Alright, what would you rate me 1 through 10?
1 to 10. No, he's asking questions for your YouTube channel.
This is for my
1 to
YouTube
10.
channel. This is for my YouTube channel.
I know, she's being dumb. 1 to 10. 1 to 10, you're both 6.
Oh, yo, she just got crazy.
Spanish? ¿Cómo estás?
Dame culo, mami.
Muy bien.
Alright. Wait, add time. One more time. Alright, so rate us 1 through 10.
1.
Say what?
Settle.
Oh, she's getting reported for that.
What?
Oh shit. Did she just say?
Yeah, my God.
Wait, did she say she don't speak Spanish, but then told us in English that she don't speak Spanish? What?
Read that.
She just told us in English that she don't speak English. Yo. Alright, yo, first.
Are you recording?
Nah, I'm saying, can you say what's up to my YouTube channel? Alright, bet. You gotta ask a question.
Wait, YouTube channel. Hold up.
Yeah, my YouTube channel. What's up?
Hey, YouTube.
Alright, come on. Ask your question.
Alright, what do you rate me 1 through 10?
12. Forget a 10. 12.
He's like that. Yeah.
Alright.
Y'all trying to follow my YouTube channel though?
And nice do-rag, by the way.
Oh,
sure,
thank you.
what is it?
Alright, it's damn, I can't even write it down. Oh
You can
shit.
write on your name. Huh?
Wait, hold on. Grab a piece of paper.
Add some
It's
time.
ROSE
ROSE.
space
Okay.
gaming GAMING
Okay.
space TV.
Space TV.
Alright, bet. Good looks though.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Yo, add time. Yeah, we got a couple questions for you. You
What should I ask?
yo, wait. First, say what's up to my YouTube channel.
What's up? What's going on?
So what would you rate me 1 through 10?
Which one?
This one right here.
I'll give you a 9.
thank you.
Yo, dab me up, Rashad. Dab me up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you trying to subscribe to me real quick on YouTube?
What's your YouTube?
Alright, it's Rose.
Wait, I'm gonna be on there?
You might be in my. I'm gonna edit my video, but you might be in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure you in it.
You-
I'm
wait,
gonna make sure you in it.
I can take you out, or you want me to put you in?
Put me in there.
Alright, that's a bet. That's a bet. YouTube channel.
Hi, what's up? What's your YouTube? Follow me on Instagram at KChemMusic. I'm an aspiring music.
Wait, hold up. That's too fast. I can't.
I'm sorry. What's your YouTube music?
Yo, look. This is what we gonna do. Look. Wait, hold up. This is what we gonna do, right? I'm gonna add y'all as a friend, and I'm gonna message y'all. Y'all message me y'all information.
Oh, yeah.
You feel me? So when I make it big on YouTube, we all eat.
You're pretty. You are good looking. We have a 73%.
All right, so what is it? What'd you say?
Okay, just go.
All right, so yeah, so we added each other as friends, so we're gonna exchange information in a message thing. And subscribe to my subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's
I'm gonna text her the YouTube name.
okay, cool. Dude,
All right. What y'all up to right now? You lying to my
girl.
y'all can't be lying to my subscribers. Come on, chill.
We got you.
Nah, I feel like